Well, good day guys. Today we've got a RX 9620 RX. It's coming for a service. Just an oil change, blow out the radiator, grease her up, check the air filters.
So blue, feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. The summer days can't be beat. Party swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow.
So there you guys have it. Filter replaced, oil drained out. You see there the fan. The radiator has been blown out. Not just the air filters, but on top of that box. They call for 11.5 gallons, so I'll put in 44 quarts and then check it on the dipstick. Yeah, nice warm sunny day out today. Hopefully we can start our durum harvest in about 2 weeks, 14 days. I'll just give it a nice blowout, clean it up, get it ready for harvest, then grease all the grease points. Back here is a couple. You've got your prop shaft, and then underneath the tractor you've got as well. Fill it up with fuel, fill up the depth, and then just give it a nice wash down. And hopefully hook it up to the grain cart next week. So I'll show you guys me blowing down the engine bay and the engine and stuff. We've got Dell's helping out. She just arrived now, but
Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. The summer days can't be beat.
well guys, today we've got a header in the shop. Run it through, make sure everything is up to standard and working.
Joseph, just looking at all the sickles.
I'm wondering why there's so many rocks on the header here.
Well, whose header was it?
That's 790.
Oh, that's her.
I'm just wondering, it looks like somebody's
Uh,
been hitting some gopher.
There we
gopher
go.
holes.
So, yeah, just have a few hours on this thing and then she ready to go. She ready to go. That's her. It's her header that she's gonna run this year during harvest. So, yeah.
Dell's. Well, she'll show you a photo. It's laying there on the ground. Oh, we picked up that rock, not on the header, but inside the combine. So, well, yeah, we were cutting lentils, so it was on the ground.
And they seed it into the edge of the field. Which
Not they. That guy seeded it through the rock piles. You see through rock piles.
Yes. There, I saw dirt in there, and if I see dirt, I put seed in it.
No. That's not the right way to do it, guys. You've got field boundaries for a reason. as you guys can see, this bearing has seen better days. I think it got warm. See how it's just crusting up. And as you can see on this, that discoloring up there, that's a sign of getting warm. So I'll just dive in deeper, see why it's got warm. If any of these clamp downs are too tight or whatever, could cause that. Well guys, I found a problem why this bushing was burnt up like this, because we've got a bearing failure in here. As you can see, this does not turn at all, so gonna have to replace this. What you're looking for to make sure your sickle drive moves freely is, if you have a look down there, there's a slight gap, basically just touching, just not touching. So you want it to be able to move freely but not go up or down, because once it goes up, the teeth will hook in on here and then it'll break it off. But what I did find is this section down here is loose, so I'll undo these two brackets, guards, and then see if I can tighten it up. If not, I'll just loosen it off here as well, take off this section and replace that one. A lot of times the bolts wear through on the bottom. It's only a hex on the other side, countersunk hex bolt, so they do wear through, stuff like that. But other than that, we did put a new wobble box bearing in there. As you can see, this one seen better days. It's totally got warm, so I'm presuming the bearing failed, and then it just sat and turned up this bushing. As you can see, look how plastic just breaks off, so that says to me it got warm, and there's clear evidence of that. So as you guys can see, that bolt's just turning up in there. This section has worn through there. On the bolt you've got small notches there to grab in here, and it's just totally worn through, so you can't tighten it up, so we'll have to replace this section. Well, there you have it guys. It is done, greased up, all the things changed up on it. We had to change the spider bearings up there. Well, I said to change it, this has got a new one in, but as you can see it's still loose. They need to move around, so yeah, we greased up the header. Iggy is busy cleaning out the drum. So we did tighten up the belts. As you can see, needs to be in the green there. They were in the yellow, so tighten up the belts. Yeah, so that was a quick 2-hour job this morning. Get this done. What do you think of it, Iggy?
I think John Deere just wants to make extra money.
Yeah, they send us a lot of parts with stuff that's wrong. One of the things are these fingers, as you can see here. They put an X there, but that's all normal wear and tear for a header. So yeah, but it's done. We'll pull it out now. I might pull in the 6430 John Deere tractor. We've got a fuel leak and a oil leak, a small leak on it, but see if we can get that sorted out. Actually go see if we've got filters for it though. It needs a service as well. I might just fix up that stuff while we've got the filters off, make it much easier. Alright, we've got the 6430 in the shop now. I'll just show you. Obviously we'll do a service on it, but there's a fuel line back there, attaches here from the the filter housing goes straight to the injection pump. That needs to be replaced. I've already replaced this battery clamp. It was loose, it was worn down. A lot of times the tractor did not get enough power to fire it up. And then you can see on this a steel pipe as well on the engine oil side. It's got an O-ring that's leaking down there. Close up for you. Do that as well. Drop the oil. I might even fire it up now while I go fetch the oil pan. Well, there you have it, guys. It's leaking over there. That comes from the fuel pump all the way around to the filter housing. So here's the new one, just going to throw it in. Well guys, there you have it. The tractor serviced, replaced the oil filter, 2 fuel filters, put in 4 new O-rings down here, 2 there and then 2 up there. This one was slightly bad, but they were all rounded off and the new O-rings were like hexagon. So just replaced all 4 of them. That leak is sorted out now. And on this side I did show you guys what we had to replace. It's this steel pipe going into this rubber pipe, going into the, I think it's a fuel injection pump. Yeah, so while I was busy with that, Iggy was cleaning out the cab for us, so she's ready for the grain augers. Hopefully we can start in the next 14 days, 13 days today actually.